Hello guys and happy Saturday! We're at the beach today. The first time at the beach, you have sand on your face. You have sand on your face. This is blocking your view too. I can move it down. We got here just a little while ago. It's like 10 in the morning. Huh. I came with my family. It's a mission to get here. Amelia, she's wearing this cute onesie that says Beach Babe. Let me see. Let me see. Are you tired too? Are you tired? Let's go through the water first.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations, oh. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. We got home from the beach pretty late last night, I guess. It was like 7 or 8. We were there pretty much all day. We got there like 8 or no, we got there at 9 and left there at like 6. So that's a pretty long beach day. It was super fun and super easy with the baby. I thought it was going to be much harder. I got a DM yesterday asking about Amelia's napping schedule. And like if she takes her naps, like even if we are out, and she pretty much does for the most part if I don't move her. So like if we're out and I'm transferring her to like a car to her stroller, then sometimes she wakes up. But for the most part, like if she falls asleep in her car seat in a store, she'll stay asleep the whole time. And then in the car too, she'll stay asleep the whole time. So she pretty much stays on her schedule. Obviously not every day she does, but for the most part she does, which I'm so thankful for because I thought she was not going to take her naps yesterday, and obviously she needs to nap. But she did perfectly fine taking her naps. I just brought her Snuggle Me to the beach, and then my mom had a wagon, so I just put her in the wagon while we were there. And so super easy, not bad at all. Another tip that I gave her was to bring like your essentials that you need for napping basically. So like swaddling, I swaddle Amelia still, and a sound machine and her pacifier. So just make sure she has all of those 3 things, and she does perfectly good. So yeah, today is, what's today, July 12th. And and it marks 2 months since we left Adrian in Germany. 2 months. It's so crazy. She's gonna be 5 months this month, and it's so sad because she's growing up so fast, and it sucks because I've already said this a million times that her dad's not here, but just a few more months, It's going by so fast. Like I said, it's 2 months today, so we're getting ready so I can take our letterboard picture. If you follow me on Instagram, then you guys know that I've been doing like letterboards for her that say like, hi daddy, blah blah blah, love Amelia. So today will be hi daddy. I don't know what I'm putting, something about 2 months. 2 months down. I can't say how many more left or days or anything, so I'm gonna have to think of something. And then after that we're gonna go to my dad's side, and because it's my cousin's birthday, so we're gonna go have like a little dinner with them, just them. So hopefully that's fun. It will be. I got so sunburned yesterday, you guys. It's like not even funny. I haven't been to the beach in literally since we left Hawaii. So we left Hawaii June 16, and that's the last day that I went to the beach, which is insane. So it's been over a year, and the sun here is like definitely more harsh, I feel like, than Hawaii. I put sunblock on, but your girl still got burned. I did get some color, so that's good because I was pale as hell from Germany, so I'm just a little bit red. I don't know why I got a tan like that. I wasn't even wearing a short sleeve, so that's weird. I was watching Sarah Owen's newest video, I think her newest video, or her last video or something, talking about her postpartum, and I realized I never did a postpartum update after I had Amelia, and I don't know, like, I've never even asked you guys if you guys wanted to see that about my postpartum, how everything is going and how I'm feeling and all that. So I don't know, let me know if you guys would like to see that and everything. I know it's already almost 5 months postpartum, but new things are still happening, which is crazy, like hair loss, you guys. Postpartum hair loss is a freaking thing. I'm losing my hair like crazy, literally crazy. It's coming out. Yesterday, I don't know what it was, maybe the air at the beach, but I felt like it was turning my hair into like dreads, is that what they're called? Dreadlocks or something. Like literally it felt like that. And it just felt so gross because I had just washed my hair and it was curled, so I don't know if it was the air or whatever. I also think it is because my mom has the Dyson Airwrap, I think what it's called, the curling iron Dyson, and the way it works, like it's like it blows out air and like it just curls it by itself basically, and I feel like that has a part of it too, like making my hair all knotty. I don't know, so I'm gonna stop using that. But even before that, I was like losing my hair and just brushing it through. It's so nasty. I have a lot of hair anyways, but I just feel like my hair is thinning out. It's so gross. I know I'm losing hair like right here too. Yeah, definitely losing a lot of hair, but hopefully it doesn't get worse. I hear that it like continues until about 6 months, but obviously everyone is different, so we will see. I'm going to finish getting ready, curling my hair. I'm almost done, finished doing my makeup, and then what time is it? It's 2:08. I need to do that letterboard. I need to get Amelia's outfit, and then I'll probably wake her up sooner than she's supposed to wake up, and then take our picture and head out so she can nap a little bit in the car as well, and then get over there by the time she needs to eat. We'll see how everything goes down, because she's been a little bit cranky. She was such a good baby yesterday at the beach, but for some reason when we got in the car, she was just screaming her head off, and usually like when we start driving, like she stops, but I don't know what it was, but she was just screaming her head off. And finally, I ended up giving her a bottle in the car, in her car seat. I really hate doing that because you're not supposed to do that, but I did it anyways, and she fell asleep. So, I don't know what it was. And then she's been fighting her naps today, but she's like super tired. Like her eyes are rolling back, but she's just like literally fighting. Like she's making her grunting noises and everything. So I don't know what's really wrong with her. I don't know, but we'll see how everything goes down. Hopefully she wakes up better today. I mean, she wakes up happy either way, but I think it's mainly when she goes down. Look at my hair, it just falls out. It's gross. Gross. Okay, I'm gonna finish my hair even though I'm already done.
I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. Looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention.
Oh, good morning. Did you have a good nap? Yeah, you did? Are you ready to get ready? You want to get ready? Yeah? Let's pick out an outfit. Let's pick out an outfit. Oh, are you so sleepy? Are you so sleepy? Okay, let's get ready.
Wide awake and I'm too scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention.